So my name is Omer, the company name is Best Pro Services. We're a garage repair company. We've been with Workiz since 2015. One of the great features about Workiz is that we can designate a service area for a specific technician. And it basically causes less confusion with our dispatchers that they know which technician to send in which metro area. Other things I would say is SMS templates to the technicians that we can decide what the technician will get. Automations that we can create an automation rule that we send a review request specifically depending which campaign they found us on or website. I think a new business owner should do when starting with Workiz is first of all get well acquainted with the system and its capabilities, and then use each capability to what they need, because Workiz has many capabilities, and if you know about them, it'll help your business grow. It'll be more efficient. It'll just be easier altogether. And in order to grow, I would definitely use the automations, which is something very important. That way you don't forget to do certain tasks. So the different reports that I'm looking for is to see where mainly we're losing money, which could be in lost estimates, which can be in the service calls, jobs that did not convert. It's important for us to understand where we're losing money rather than where we're making money. And with reporting, we can see that we can filter different jobs that didn't close, leads that were not closed, and that way we know where our pitfalls are and where we need to improve.